Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup on your TCL 605. Alright, so the process is really easy. First, open up your settings. Now, scroll down into the bottom and click on the system. Now, find backup. Simply click on that, and now we have a possibility to create a backup using the Google one. But before we start, under the account storage, we have our Google account that we are currently logged into on our device. And on that account, our backup will be saved. So, for example, in the future, if you want to restore your backup, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account on which you made the backup. So, for example, in my case, it's that account. Also, make sure the backup by Google one is enabled. Below, we have the backup details. That's the list of the things that will be backupped. And also make sure that you have some free storage space right in here to create a backup. Now, once everything is selected and discussed, click on Backup Now. Now the process will start within a seconds. And now under the backup word, a thin bar should appear. Okay, here it is. And it's starting slowly to fulfill. When it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully made. We'll also see a notification on the bottom of the screen that our data has been backupped if everything goes well. So now I'll simply wait until it's finished and I'll see you once it's done. Alright, the backup has been successfully made. We can see it also in here under the backup by Google One sentence that it has been made 0 minutes ago. And that's an extra confirmation. So we know that our backup has been successfully made. And also, as we take a look on the backup details, we have a list of things that has been successfully backupped. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.